Welcome back, Year 9. So we are in half term 4 now, and this is our first week, and we are continuing with our online learning. Just wanted to start with a massive well done and a keep up the great work. Okay, I know in difficult circumstances it can be hard to keep self-motivated and resilient, determined, willing to learn, and reflective, but you are doing a great job. Okay. Remember that self motivation, that ability to drive oneself to take the initiative and action to pursue your goals and complete tasks. Okay. Don't forget that we are all here to support you, and you can use Microsoft Teams and your email account, your school email account, in order to contact us if you need any support. But keep up the great work, you're doing brilliantly. Just a few reminders then. Let's reset our expectations for the first week back. Remember about your punctuality, please, guys. So make sure that you are in the lobby waiting to be admitted for your lessons a few minutes before it starts. Message a friend if you know that they aren't there to give a little bit of extra support as well. Make sure that we're contributing, so whenever you can answer questions, whether it's in the chat or via audio, please do get involved in the lessons, listen to what's being delivered and take part, okay? Be recognised for the great work that you are doing. Let's make sure we're all handing our work in and handing it in on time, please, guys, wherever possible. If you're having any issues at all, you can just contact your teacher via the Teams wall or via email. If, for example, you are struggling to submit that work, and they can give you some advice. But make sure that you're demonstrating that participation through submitting your work and handing in your test scores, okay? This is just as important as being present for the lessons. Make sure that you are consistent, so keep logging in every 5 days of the week. Every one of us is doing it, and it's going to take every one of us to keep doing an amazing job, okay? So keep that up for me. Let's make sure that we are joining those lessons on time then, having those great contributions through the meeting chat, putting our hands up, as it greatly benefits our lessons, okay? The importance of maintaining our attendance and our work quality, particularly while we are in these difficult circumstances, is great. But if you do need any support, just let us know. Before I go for today then, just a few reminders of important dates. So obviously from the 27th of January, the options information and guidance portal was made available on the website. So if you've not already, please do take a look at that. Have a look at the videos that the subject leaders have created for you. Get a bit of a flavour of what each subject is about, or a reminder if you looked at them before. Contact your teachers if you're unsure about anything. Don't forget that Wednesday the 24th of January is the Year 9 Parents' Evening, so if you can, make sure you're attending those meetings with the pupils from home, as it will allow your teachers to have a really well-rounded conversation with you and offer you some support. The 5th of March is the deadline for submission of your options choices, so that is next week, so please do make sure that you have got those choices in online. If you need any help, let me know. From April, we'll be having those follow-up conversations with you. If there's any clashes with your options, hopefully there won't be, fingers crossed, but if there is, we will be making those conversations with you. And then finally, guys, in the summer term, that will be when we'll confirm your options choices. I hope you have a fantastic week. Don't forget those important dates that we've got going on at the minute, and enjoy your week and have some great lessons. Bye, guys.